Dear student, today I am going to take the topic of reverse engineering. So this topic belongs to the software engineering subject. So today I am going to explain the concept of the reverse engineering. Okay, so this topic belongs to software engineering. So first, what is the reverse engineering? Actually we are using the product. Okay, this product is developed, so we can take any kind of product. For example, if you use the app, so this app is developed using the forward engineering. So first we collect the requirement from the users. Okay, after that we design the app or software. Then after the designing, then we move to the implementation. Finally we get the new product. But in the case of reverse engineering, we take the product and then we take the machine language code, that means binary numbers 1 0. Then it will be based on this code, we build the source code. Okay, source code and design, then we get the re-engineering product. So this is called as a reverse engineering here. So what is the reverse engineering? The reverse engineering is a process of recovering design. So it's a system design, product function and specification of the requirements from the code analysis. In which code analysis? So we take for example, many thing has no code. It consists of exe files. Nowadays all the softwares are exe file, but we are taking the machine code. That machine code is represented in the form of binary number. So this binary number is converted into the logic statement. That means a source code. After the source retrieve the source code, then we move to the designing area. Then we after that we get the requirements. So this is called as a reverse engineering. Okay, so improve the reverse engineering, improve the understandability of the system. Okay, so we understand the system. Okay, then it can also define. So it can, we can define the another one word. So the evaluating means we are evaluate the software system in order to extract a design. The design and implementation from the information here. So the machine code, first we take the machine code, it will be represented in the form of binary number, then it will be converted into the original source code, then the program, that means the program language statement. So this is called as a reverse engineering. Okay, so then here when the software carrying a multiple rules and regulation of business in a code is lost. Suppose if the code is lost, then we or the software is missing or any kind of problem, the software is deleted. So we are taking the source code, we are taking the machine code, then we develop the software. So then here it helps identifying and resolving viruses and malwares. So we take the identifying and resolving viruses and malware, protecting your system from malveolent attack. That means so we take the machine code, so we can easily identify the virus and malware and protect our system. So this reverse engineering also used for the virus and malware attack. So this is the diagram represent the reverse engineering. So first the system specification. System specification means this is belongs to forward engineering. So first the system specification, which is get from the users requirements. Okay, after that we design the system and implement the system, we get the new system. So this is a new system. Then here the existing software system, we take the existing software system, understanding and transformation. So understanding and transformation, then re-engineered system. Okay, Then so this is the same, the forward engineering and reverse engineering both are opposite with each other. First we in a forward engineering start from the requirement which is collected from the end user. After that we analysis the requirement, we design the requirement. From this requirement and analysis, finally we implement the product based on the concept of the design. But in the case of reverse engineering, the software is implemented, so we collect the source code and native code, that means binary numbers, binary codes. Then it will be converted into design. The design, after the design we get the analysis and requirement. So forward engineering is opposite with reverse engineering, same as here. So what are the objectives of the software engineering? So here the first one is the complexity. Complexity means we can manage the complexity. Then figuring out the side effect, so we identify the side effect and we give the solution to the side effect. Recovering the lost information, so we can recover the lost information. Higher abstraction synthesis, these are the objectives of the reverse engineering. Okay, so then here the first one is a information extraction. So information extraction means we collect the first these are the steps for developing a reverse engineering, implementing the reverse engineering. First we collect the information from the software or app, any kind of app which is retrieved from the native code or machine code. Then after the getting the information, it will be using the disassembler, it will be break into program into basic parts. Then the modeling, after getting the gathered information, we abstracted into conceptual model. That means we give the design design into the modeling. Then review, so after the modeling or designing, we review the product and build the original form. Okay, so this is the forward engineering and reverse engineering. So both are opposite with each other. First requirement is started from the forward engineering, then it will be after the design and then implemented. But in the case of reverse engineering, it's a totally opposite with each other. Now what are the common usage? Actually these are the common usage. First designing and creating new cheaper product, because we are taking the it's a kind of we are taking the source code from the original machine code. Okay, then powerful codes and also link different databases. So this is the another one, the reveal the coordinated characteristic of commercial product. We take the commercial product and we develop the commercial product easily. Creating or developing new system to identify and understanding the working. So we identify and understanding the working system, we take we create and developing a new system. This is the IoT device are especially very response to reverse engineering due to the ease of retrieving firmware. So what are the tools used for the reverse engineering? Rigi is a kind of tool. So these tools understanding the software visually, so that's why we use the Rigi. So this tool is working in the concept of the white box testing. Gen++ is another kind of tool which support the development of analytical tool for the C++ languages. Then PBS, portable bookshelf, is a set of tools that extract and visualize the architecture of the program. So architecture for the system written in Java, C, C++. So PBS. Bunch is a software modularization clusterization tool, a group of tool. So we take the C and C++ source code. Okay, so these are the different kind of reverse engineering tool. Dear student, if you have any kind of doubt, please kindly give the record your doubt in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, student.